Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is BGB. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a simple no eyeshadow makeup. If you're new to this channel, nice to meet you, and if you've been supporting me, thanks for coming. So first I'm going to start by cleaning my face with my facial cleanser and my face wipes to remove any facial dots or anything. Just clean up my face to prep it for the makeup. Okay, so I'm going to be using my spoolie to brush my eyebrows in upward direction. I'm just going to be brushing my brow hair in upward direction. Okay, so after brushing my brow hair, then I draw the bottom line of my brows. I start with the bottom line by following the shape of my brows. As you can see, the line is very visible. Please just do it gently and lightly. And I'm going to start with the upper line. I'm not going to start with the front. I'm just going to start from the middle of my brows down, following the shape, then joining it with the bottom line. And I'm going to apply hairline strokes to the front of my brows to make it look more natural. Just going to use my Pond's primer to brush in my brows to make them stand in place. Just going to brush in gently with my primer so that they can stand in place. Then I'm just going to press my brow hair in. And I'm just going to fill in my brows with the eye pencil that I used in drawing the bottom line and the upper line. I'm going to fill them in with hairline strokes. I'm going to apply my brow tint to give it a little more color and make it look more sharp and more natural. Okay, so I'm going to use my angled brush and my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I'm going to start with the bottom line by cleaning it up with the concealer. I'm going to drag it down, following the shape of my brows gently. As you can see, I'm following the shape of the bottom line and I'm cleaning it gently, then adjusting it down and blending at the same time. Just going to blend the edges of the brows with my hand to avoid creases. I'm going to blend it in gently. Okay, so I'm going to use my foundation shade to clean the top of my brows. As you can see, I'm using my foundation shade to clean the top of my brows, following the shape of my brows. Then I'm just going to blend the edges with my hand. I'm going to blend the foundation into my skin. Okay, so I'm going to be using my setting powder to set my highlights. Since we are not going to be applying eyeshadow today, I'm just going to apply this setting powder in my highlights. Okay, so I'm going to be applying my moisturizer. Then since I've applied my moisturizer, I'm also going to be applying my Pond's primer. This primer, as you know, is my favorite. It's really good. It gives me dry skin and it's really good for all types of skin. Now to our foundation. I'm going to be applying my foundation with my foundation brush today. I'm just going to tap it into my skin gently. Then to highlight, I'm going to be using LA Girl in the shade Pure Beige to highlight the under eye. I'm just going to do it gently and apply little, then blend carefully. Just tap it in, guys, don't drag. Tap it in when you're blending. Don't drag, just tap it in gently into your skin. So I'm going to go in with my setting powder. to dry up the concealer and just to avoid creases. I'm just going to apply my setting powder. I'm going to highlight the top of my forehead and the top of my nose down to the bridge of my lips. I'm just going to highlight them. I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender. I'm going to tap it in gently with my beauty blender. Okay, so I'm going to use my setting powder to dry off the concealer where I highlighted my forehead, top of my nose. I'm just going to use my setting powder to dry it up. Then I'm also going to apply mascara to my eyelashes before putting the false lashes. I'm just going to apply mascara. Then I'm just going to use my false lashes, and I'm also going to go in with my Xoxo under eye eyeliner. Just going to go in gently. I'm not going to do eyeliner today. It's just a simple no eyeshadow makeup look. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with mascara to my under eye lashes. Since we're not going to be applying eyeshadow, I'm just going to use a little bit of glittering shadows down my eyelids, my under eyes. I'm just going to apply a little bit of glittering shadows on eyeshadow under my eye. These are not going to be applying it at real eyeshadows today, just to give it that warm look. Then a little bit of burnt orange eyeshadow, just to give it that warm look. Okay, so I'm just going to contour my forehead, my side cheeks. Okay, so I'm going to contour both of my cheeks alongside with my forehead. I'm just going to contour it. Okay, so I'm going to contour the sides of my nose with my contour palette. I'm going to contour the sides of my nose and blend them down gently. Please don't forget to give this video a like, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's really important to me. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with my blush to give my face a little warmth. I'm just going to apply my blush. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with some baked bronzer. Wow, I'm just going to go in with some baked bronzers to give my face that shimmery look. So I'm going to apply those same baked bronzers. I'm just going to apply them on the bridge of my nose down to my forehead, and I'm also going to apply it on the bridge of my lips. Okay, so I'm just going to apply my setting spray, my Kiss Beauty setting spray. Then I'm just going to go in with some red lipsticks. Thank you guys. I hope you like this simple no eyeshadow makeup look. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.